What does drive mean to me? Challenging the status quo.
To me, Drive Auto Group is the pinnacle of the automotive industry, and at present, only the 800 plus team members that are a part of the group are aware of that, but very soon the world will find out, if not already.
Drive Auto Group in one word, opportunity. I started my career with Drive Auto Group in 1989 and was always given opportunity to advance myself.
I actually left for several years because I was frustrated with how the industry was going. And then was introduced to this group, and the fact that they are making changes in the perception of how business is done in the automotive world means a lot to me.
Drive means to me a great company to work for where they care about their employees. They focus on training and improving so that the customers that we're dealing with have a great experience that exceeds their expectations.
Drive Auto Group is, I hear what you're saying, but do you mind if I ask you a question? Does the idea make sense? Do you like the idea?
Just kidding. The Drive Auto Group is like playing for the Yankees.
What the Drive Auto Group means to me is changing the status quo and the drive for excellence.
Drive Auto Group is the future of the automotive business. We're changing the way you have your experience buying a car.
Drive Auto Group to me means having pride in telling all of my friends and family that I work at a car dealership.
It is happening with this group. The culture has changed, and it's creating a great work environment for all of us. We're working with people who want to train and want to be better, and that creates a lot of excitement in the store level.
Drive Auto Group is more of an experience to me than it is a job. We're changing the way the automotive business operates, and I think other dealer groups are starting to take notice of it. So kudos to us.
Drive is training and mentorship. It's taking the customer down the line of the sale so they can make a logical decision. Based on everything you've told me, Mr. Customer, I think this car is absolutely perfect. Now, getting started is simple.
We're going to teach, train, and mentor our strategies to you, get you all the information you need. We'll help you outline, carve out your career path that you desire. With the right attitude and great work ethic, ultimately, you're going to make the decision, not us. Your success is important to us. We will take as much or as little time as needed. Thus, we made it this far together. I gotta ask, why Drive, and what does it mean to you?
The Drive Auto Group, an organization of 11 rooftops, one organization pushing in the right direction, trying to change the status quo. On behalf of Mr. Sullivan and his family, Bob Perrin, my partner, and all of the corporate guys that work so hard throughout the course of the year, I'd like to take the opportunity to wish everybody a happy holiday season, and please take some time to enjoy yourself tonight. V1 is our 2020 motto, and what does that mean? Well, it was brought to our attention that V1 is the point in which any airplane can no longer abort the takeoff. The preparation is done, the passengers are in, the seatbelts are locked, the captain, the first officer have the throttles where they need them, and now it's time to take flight. And the Drive Auto Group is in that point now. It's time to take flight. You know, retrospectively, looking back in 2019, it was a wonderful year. Yes, many ups and downs, and in an industry that prides itself in performance, where productivity and efficiency is examined every day, looking back and seeing some of the highlights has to make us extremely proud. This is an opportunity for us to look at what we've accomplished that started in December of last year, getting into January with the acquisition of Bremel Toyota, the first Toyota franchise to join the Drive Auto Group. After that, we formally announced the launch of our Drive Academy, the institute that was going to work with both salespeople, sales managers, and service advisors for just one reason: to take the randomness out of our organization so that everything we did every day focused on exactly what the customer wanted.
Talk about stuff that matters. We're going to talk today about rapport and building rapport. I'm a firm believer, I'll take to that yucky hole in the ground, that you don't build rapport by finding a friend. You build rapport by coming across with certain characteristics.
Strategic, CRM. Okay, get that out of the way. Welcome to Village Nissan. My name is Sean. Have you been here before? They say yes, they say no. They say yes, I've been here before. Great. Who did you see? Steve, he's expecting me for delivery. Awesome, right?
Soon after the launch of the mentorship program came another acquisition, Morningside Nissan. We continued on through the mid part of the year with our mentorship program, again focusing specifically on our sales managers. Did our sales managers, could they manage our way to profitability? Could we make the market far less relevant? Could we draw a focus on some of the key measurables in our business? Could we be defined by how we operated in parts and service? Could we be defined at how we managed our used car operation?
We also focused on our business performance reviews, where each day we combined performance with momentum in each department in the store.
That lasted throughout the first half of the year and got us through the summer until we acquired yet another store, a Nissan store in Markham we call Village Nissan. That takes us through the fourth quarter of the year, and man, we blink and we're here again. I'd like to take the opportunity personally again on behalf of Mr. Sullivan to thank everybody, all the employees in the franchise, for all the work they do all year long. Like I'd mentioned earlier, this is an industry where we obsess about performance. We push daily to achieve results that are outlined for us. We practice and practice to make sure that our techniques are what they need to be in order to retain the customers in a competitive auto industry that we call the GTA. Please take some time tonight to enjoy not only colleagues at your store, but colleagues at other stores that you don't get to see that often, and make this a celebration of what the Drive Auto Group represents, which is not only retaining our customers, but retaining our employees, giving our employees the opportunity to accomplish things that maybe for a little while they didn't even think they could. Again, have yourself a very Merry Christmas. Most of all, have fun tonight, and make sure you get home safe. Thanks again. Oh yeah, and I can't forget, we had some fun too.
Whoa, 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 I didn't agree to any of this. What?
Drive Auto Group is, it's coming to me. Drive Auto Group is, have you been here before? No, I already said that.
Remember your ELR.
And remember your effective laboring. That's right. Yeah.
Okay, can you guys get out of here, please? Ain't nobody. Okay, great. So you go around the corner? No.
Hey, yeah, so did you watch the big game last night?
Oh yeah, it was big. Huh?
The star player really made a few good plays.
Oh, for sure, 100%.
I think the coaches are terrible though.
Hi, I'm Austin. I'm with Drive Auto Group, and I want to tell you about our Shield certified program, but I've been interrupted by someone dialing the phone. Hi, I'm Austin with Drive Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about our Shield certified pre-owned program. All cars that qualify for our pre-owned program come with a car phone. Hi, I'm Austin. I work with Drive Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Shield Exchange Pre-Owned Program, our way of protecting the customer when they're buying a used car. I need someone to protect me from that beeping.
That's why we need to re-record.